Hey, National University colleagues, this is Taya Mills, and many of you already know me, but I just wanted to reintroduce myself. I am from Idaho Falls, Idaho, up near Yellowstone. If you've ever been up here, you probably know where I am. I currently work for BYU Pathway Worldwide. It's an all online school that has students from all over the world, and so it's a unique opportunity for me to teach online, and I really enjoy it. So. As far as my video making experiences, I am pretty limited. I've made a lot of screencasts to show students where to access certain materials in the classroom and some feedback videos. But other than that, I don't have much media experience, and so I'm really excited to learn more. But I see a value in media and videos, and I'm really excited to incorporate a few into my class.